Bono, Fred, you are the 6th. And I told you that. Why do I say so? The Bible tells me, Psalm 75, verse 6, when you have time, read it. Nothing from the east, or from the west, or from the desert will do anything. But it's God who wills and chooses to bring one down and bring another one up. May that be your portion.
Amen. Amen.
What do you say, all of you? May that be his portion.
Amen.
Point number 1. Point number 2. When you see a lot of noise going around and you hear all manner of languages being spoken against him, please take note and remember that omotobwata matunda na roko rugendoki amagena. You are blessed, you are bearing fruit, and that's why they're hitting at you left, right, center. And I say this, and I take solace from the Kisii metaphor. Onye chiombe